In the realm of sustainable agriculture and eco-friendly practices, the concept of worm farming has emerged as a fascinating and lucrative venture for environmentally conscious entrepreneurs. Worm farming, also known as vermicomposting, entails the cultivation of earthworms to convert organic waste into nutrient-rich compost, which in turn can be used to enrich soil for gardening, agriculture, and landscaping purposes. Beyond its ecological benefits, worm farming presents a compelling business opportunity, blending innovation with sustainability. If you're captivated by the idea of turning waste into wealth while contributing positively to the environment, starting a worm farm business could be your path to success. The journey of establishing a worm farm business begins with thorough research and planning. Familiarize yourself with the fundamentals of vermiculture, understanding the life cycle of earthworms, their habitat requirements, and optimal environmental conditions for their growth and reproduction. Moreover, delve into the market dynamics, identifying potential customers ranging from individual gardeners and hobbyists to commercial farms and landscaping companies. Assess the demand for high-quality organic compost in your target market and explore potential partnerships with local businesses or community gardens. Next, you'll need to designate a suitable location for your worm farm. Whether you opt for an indoor setup in a garage or basement or an outdoor facility, ensure the chosen site offers adequate space, ventilation, and protection from extreme temperatures. Construct or procure worm bins or beds that accommodate the desired volume of worms and organic waste materials. These bins can be made from various materials such as wood, plastic, or metal, each with its advantages in terms of durability, insulation, and cost-effectiveness. With your infrastructure in place, the next crucial step is sourcing your initial stock of worms. Red wigglers, Icenia fetida, are the preferred species for vermicomposting due to their voracious appetite, rapid reproduction rate, and resilience in captivity. You can acquire worms from reputable suppliers, fellow vermiculturists, or even by harvesting them from compost piles in your area. Ensure the worms you obtain are healthy, disease-free, and suitable for your intended scale of operations. Once you have your worms settled into their new home, it's time to focus on feeding and managing their environment. Earthworms thrive on a diet of organic matter such as kitchen scraps, garden waste, coffee grounds, and shredded cardboard or paper. However, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet to prevent odors, pests, and acidity levels that could harm the worms. Monitor the moisture content of the bedding regularly, aiming for a damp but not soggy consistency, and provide adequate aeration to facilitate oxygen exchange within the bins. As your worm population grows and matures, you'll start harvesting vermicompost, the black gold of your operation. Vermicompost is prized for its high nutrient content, microbial diversity, and soil conditioning properties, making it a valuable commodity in organic agriculture and horticulture. Package your vermicompost in eco-friendly containers, such as biodegradable bags or recycled packaging, and develop branding and marketing strategies to differentiate your product in the marketplace. Consider offering additional services such as consulting, workshops, or subscription-based composting programs to diversify your revenue streams and engage with your community. Building and sustaining a successful worm farm business requires ongoing dedication, innovation, and adaptability. Stay informed about industry trends, technological advancements, and regulatory developments to ensure compliance with environmental regulations and food safety standards. Cultivate relationships with your customers, soliciting feedback, and refining your products and services based on their needs and preferences. Embrace opportunities for collaboration and knowledge sharing within the vermiculture community, attending conferences, joining forums, and participating in research projects to stay at the forefront of this burgeoning field. In conclusion, starting a worm farm business offers a unique blend of environmental stewardship, economic viability, and entrepreneurial fulfillment. By harnessing the power of nature's humblest recyclers, you can turn organic waste into a valuable resource, nourishing the soil and fostering sustainable food production. With careful planning, diligent execution, and a passion for sustainability, your worm farm venture can thrive and make a positive impact on the planet for generations to come.